You're not going to believe how simple this makes liner installation. Even I can do it. This is the TubeGun, a compact handheld inversion unit designed for inverting liners faster, easier and more efficient than ever. With just a quick press of the trigger, invert your liner straight into the pipe, smooth, precise and completely under control. It's for liners 50 to 150 millimeters and is ideal for installations from up to 15 meters, although it can be used further if needed. Weighing just 3 kilos, it's lightweight, portable and very easy to use. Each unit comes complete with 4 inversion nozzles all the way up to 6 inches in diameter. Just connect it to a 50-litre compressor with a minimum of 8 CFM and you're ready to go. All of the controls are positioned right at the rear to give you full access while working. The 2-stage trigger first activates the bladder and then applies pressure to the liner for smooth continuous inversion. It features a built-in safety valve to protect against overpressurizing. It's compact, powerful and extremely efficient. The TubeGun is engineered to make liner installation easier, faster and smarter. First, you need to select one of the 4 nozzles. Attach the location ring and then slip on a rubber gasket. The nozzle is then placed over the front of the TubeGun and held in place with the nozzle clamp, which also acts as a stabilizer handle. The wet out liner is then pushed through the TubeGun and clamped, ready to be inverted. There are 2 controls, both controlled by the trigger, pressure for the bladder and pressure on the liner. The trigger is pulled slightly and this operates the bladder, which is controlled by the silver knob. Increase the pressure inside the bladder to between 1/2 and 3/4 of a bar. Then pull the trigger fully and increase the pressure on the liner by using the blue control. This will be around 1/2 to 3/4 of a bar depending on the type of liner you are using. When both controls are set, pull the trigger and it will invert the liner with a continual flow. When the liner has been inverted into place, it needs to be decoupled from the TubeGun, connected to an end cap and regulator and re-inflated until cured. Thanks so much for watching. For any more information, just visit our website or give us a bell.